I want to talk very quickly about what may well be the toughest real estate transaction that you'll ever have to go through, and some of the steps that you're going to want to know. We get calls on a weekly basis from family members, relatives, children who are tasked with selling the home that belongs to their parents, their aunt or uncle, somebody in their family who has passed away, and for whom they're responsible for selling their home. I want to tell you, it's a hard process, and it's especially hard if they were your parents or your grandparents. There's a lot of emotion involved. I'm going to bet that they left closets full of stuff. I'm afraid that's what I'm going to do to my children when I go, because we're all living and then we're not. And so you are likely to inherit not only a piece of property, but vehicles and personal belongings and their clothing. You're going to inherit the groceries that are in the refrigerator. And especially if you're doing it from a distance, it's going to be a daunting experience. We are just now closing on a house in Santa Fe that the children of the owners got in touch with us about last April, which was exactly 10 months ago. We've worked with them we've referred them to an estate sales specialist. We've worked with them to get a pre-inspection, to address all the mechanical issues. They decided that it made sense. After we did a really deep analysis of the pros and cons and the financial repercussions and the return on investment, they replaced flooring. We oversaw that because they're living in Washington, D.C., and we're here where the property is. We had windows repaired, we did yard work, we had guys who came over and hauled off junk. There's so much that goes into selling a home when it's your own home. And that's a very emotional experience too. But there's a whole lot more that goes into selling a home that didn't belong to you, that you didn't live in maybe since you were 18 years old or ever, and that you're trying to do from far away, whether it's 3 hours away, which is how it was when my parents passed away, or if you're across the country. We specialize in making sure that your investment is very, very well taken care of. You may want a referral to an attorney who can help you get appointed as the personal representative, help you go through the probate documents. You're also going to need to know all the vendors. Maybe there's a leak under the faucet that your Uncle John never spoke of to anybody, and now you've got a mold issue. There are so many steps to the process of selling a home that doesn't belong to you, and yet that you're responsible for now. I want you to know we're experienced in that, and we do our absolute best to remain calm and focused and to get you to the finish line. We're excited that our clients are about to be able to put money in an account that their mother wanted to go to all of her grandchildren. We're here to help, and I think we do it exceptionally well.